Hello, everyone. We will discuss a helpful thinking tool called the 6 Thinking Hats, which Eduta Bono developed. This method uses 6 hats to examine a problem or idea from various angles. Each hat represents a different way of thinking, and using them together helps us make better decisions without getting stuck in one way of thinking. Our objectives for this lecture are to understand what each of the 6 hats represents, to learn how to use these hats to guide group discussions, to gain confidence in applying the 6 thinking hats to real-world challenges. The 6 thinking hats explained. The 6 thinking hats method helps us think more structured and balanced. Each hat is a different color, representing a different type of thinking. Here's what they are. White hat. This is all about facts and information. When wearing the white hat, you focus on data, numbers, and what you know or need to know. It's the just the facts hat. Red hat. The red hat is all about emotions and intuition. When wearing this hat, you express your gut feelings and instincts without needing to justify them. It's a chance to say how you feel about an idea or decision. Black hat. This hat is critical thinking. It's used to look for risks, problems, and downsides. When wearing the black hat, you focus on what could go wrong, helping to identify potential issues before they happen. Yellow hat. The yellow hat is the opposite of the black hat about optimism and benefits. Here, you explore the positive side, looking at the potential gains and reasons why an idea might work. Green hat. The green hat represents creativity. It is a brainstorming hat that allows you to think about new ideas, alternatives, and creative solutions. When wearing the green hat, you try to go beyond the obvious. Blue hat. The blue hat is all about control and organization. It manages the thinking process, sets objectives, and decides which hats to use and when. Essentially, it oversees the discussion. How to use the hats in practice. The key to the 6 thinking hats method is that everyone in the group wears the same hat simultaneously. This keeps everyone focused on the same thinking, making discussions more balanced and efficient. How the 6 thinking hats helped create a hit toy. Let me share a story. Imagine a team at a toy company trying to develop a new product. At first, discussions were all over the place, with everyone sharing different opinions simultaneously. Then the team decided to use the 6 thinking hats approach. They started with the white hat, gathering all the information about the market and customer needs. Next, they wore the green hat to come up with creative ideas. After generating ideas, they used the yellow and black hats to weigh the positives and negatives. They ended with the blue hat, deciding on the best path forward. This structured approach made sure everyone's perspectives were considered, and they ended up creating a toy that was both fun and educational. The story's moral is that when everyone thinks in a focused way, you can make better decisions without missing essential perspectives. Painting with perspectives. Think of the 6 thinking hats as the tools in a painter's palette. Each hat is different. Sometimes, you need a bright color like yellow for optimism, and other times, a darker color like black for caution. The blue hat is like the painter, deciding which colors to use and how to blend them to create a complete picture. Using all the hats allows us to paint a complete picture of the situation, ensuring nothing important is overlooked. Follow-up assignment. Choose a problem that you or a group you're part of is facing. Use the 6 thinking hats approach to analyze the situation. Write a brief reflection on how each hat helped you look at the problem from a new angle and how this influenced your decision-making. Encourage feedback. I'd love to know how you think the 6 thinking hats method could benefit you. Have you ever felt stuck in a discussion because everyone was thinking differently simultaneously? How do you think using these hats could change that?